Hello, my name is Salahuddin from Bangladesh. I completed my graduation and post-graduation degree in environmental science from Joshua University Science and Technology with CGPA 3.47 and 3.53 respectively. After completing my degree, I have joined as a lab technician at the Department of Environmental Science and Technology as I said is to be a part of research sector. During my educational journey, I experienced a number of courses like ecology, biodiversity conservation, climate change science and adaptation, disaster management, which provided empirical and deep insight into how ecosystem as well as biodiversity functions changes and how can be threatened by global change. As a lab technician, I get opportunity to be a part of study tour where I can learn about ecosystem, biodiversity and how climate change affects. I also observe how human activities and natural calamities can influence ecosystem function and biodiversity. Thus, this experience has made me more enthusiastic to have knowledge about flora, fauna and their habitat and also how can be threatened by global changes. My principal purpose is to apply to the GLOBE program because it integrates global framework addressing challenges and possible solutions. This program I perceive as an excellent opportunity to interact with students and scholars from different professionals. This type of networking creates idea sharing on how ecosystem degradation and biodiversity losses under global changes and how to mitigate impacts. Eventually, in the long run, I hope I can be a part of environmental research, support natural conservation and ecosystem management. Thank you for your consideration.